Hi guys, good morning. Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? Happy weekend to you all. Happy weekend to you all. Waiting day, my lovely, amazing people. Hope you guys are doing fine and doing great. How was your night? It's your one and only mommy Suzy. Suzy, your sexy grandma, the big mommy Suzy for a reason. I will not do my people. I want just quick do this video, you understand? Because as for me, please, if you guys are hearing me, write yes, please, my people. Number one, Obaseki. I'm about Obazee. Me, I just talk to her Obaseki because I see Obazee like person way. It might they talk chase the crowd. It might be not really go along on and notice move us a be. I don't know. Okay, about Obazee, you are a very wicked person. First, you did wicked. Well, good morning, sweetie. How are you doing, my love? Good morning, happy weekend, sweetie. You did wicked. Well, Obaseki, about. You know, say Obaseki don't rule. It don't damage those state as it go damage, huh? It don't use those state to make your finish. As Obaseki come out. Before you come out, you can't do visa. You can't run. About. You see you. About wait till you plant, your generation will reap from it. I'm telling you. Eva koi aro. Yaga erimage late SO Ogbemudia, Samuel Ogbemudia. Look at it now. A stadium of you tell Agboya ye. Go show mule. Okay? Go show mule. Oshomule, some people say Oshomule not do anything. Because you know they visit Nigeria, you know if you know say Oshomule not do anything. You know if you know say Oshomule do something. A street lighting or existing there now with a solar pan. Now Oshomule, now he do one. Okay? Before trade that they trade from if you go to Ring Road, what is it called again? Ring Road, Olia Market, all those roads where they pass. Here we trade the supo. Some people even build that self. They can't even build that for government road. As they build their outreach. Oshomule call they cut down. Oh yeah. Scatter your fence. Do one to your district because uga can't bogo or can't fence or they beckon we lie. If I fence or wala, yana Oshomule yogo me. I support that time. I really support that. It was, you know, they scatter anybody house. According to where your land reach. That's what you're supposed to pay. Me now. I want first house, 2 house where I get. Now where my bacon reach. Now there I do my fence. I not enter government property. Never. Okay? I can't fence so why the bacon will say I not fence so while and what do fence so while look book. Ori gbele ya kwane e mejo si local road ase oni joni kagi ene hotels Abbey road e yana do wide e street na do dey bold o magi dey narrow e call the many people that is called the ala car call the pass fian e con carry what do they call am one and offense na no say I no dey speak baby English e con use whether na wetin am dey call am whether na yayati itself that thing wey dey measure road. You can't put her for the middle. Now show me the door. That time, now it's still day today. Obaseki. Now you tie all those small village. All the road where they go inside. You tie also. Obaseki, e.g. Go Usena Oguda Barak. If you not drop for Barak. Make you not pass. Ogweri Maga Ati Eri Maga Agbonoga Emige latest in Yosagi. Joshua. Upoke Panorise primary school. I beg. Make una pass that street. Go inside. The road where Obaseki tie, whether una go see one stone again for ground. You know, ya tie moto wala jagara. Like popo gari. It go scatter. Now, Shomule. Now, cover that water where they for teacher's house. Okay? Una where they support Obaseki so. Some of una parents build us for teacher's house. Water be don't drive many of our parents. It don't drive they carry their ass. Now Shomule. All times to Shomule that he can't do one. Everybody can they retrieve their ass back. Because that river where Lucky Benedio dig that time. He carry anything. He live after I don't dig. I don't know the kind of sense where that our brother get on why who I say. After I don't dig that river, he no put cutter. He say me water they enter. The water called the wide. Una know as water matter be. You call the soak red sand. Call the soak on a minute before you know the water can expand to the extent it can't even swallow many people house. So the extent the old way deep make water they enter my people. It can't they buy people, not be only that one. Especially the one where dog that market. I know how many people that one dog buy. One later for picking. If I know ya deji. Those years for Nigeria. Now no say be use tele. You understand? You understand? I don't know what Obaseki do. Where about the open it, they put say our governor, our maybe governor, our maybe governor. Talk ba. Ogele bane. Osage do state you wabo. Eba wagi do anya where Obaseki ma wuro okay. Upon not even Obaseki you. O ma dole do state you be do state we ni you gboji. The reason wagi me we meet agree you go no Obaseki do for you. Na ya mie go te ya dele do state you ma ya dele do state ji. Obaseki na we meet agree. Obaseki mu bi agi griti gi bana. Wagi tuwe bana. With your miserable future, will be agi griti bana 1 year. Wa greet all those human trafficking for a web job done. They are selling be kind of 12 years, 13 years in the Gbelu webo. Ekie I'm we be like career webo na de do are race work na una or because the damaging of womb. Yes. Because during the time that for all the days ago, e mani be long area webo na. Or see why so am we no be elene no we kia wa gegbe okoy ni babola wa gbe. Okwo na ki be elene e no kon wo yegbo ya kia because u be elene no abi obi ku be guane. Okwo no ma e be na yegbe rock. Awe he. U ma e be ege ne de okwo no be ne aga amuri e we bonana. O ikpe ni ase mo abe tetere. O ikpe yana to amwa be lady siri. The time of him, ladies, not pure more part of Nigeria. That make our setup. We did this abroad now. Let's say 28 years in abroad, 30 years in abroad, 25 years in abroad. If you check, majority of us, we all have one children for Nigeria. 1 children, 2 children, 4 children. All of us be born before we come this abroad. Or not be any other amore again. Or you back there, you know what land on your guess. No my beer. Lately now, a babaka do it about your. If you be a leka, not 12 years, 10 years, or more born no when we went. And yamure, some of them, their boyfriend go open their kpekos. Some of them they go pay for boy, make it open their kpekos. Some of them go virgin for road walk. And then the omaga son very only. Lately that baba ke do ti about your oze. Me mi on be better on the babola, be back body babofia kule, me ba so go e ko be bie ni ama we. Ona wa mo me 12 years in omo bomo we. 12 years old girl, me soy. On a de se no time ko gbabu no ma we. O be mwere ba be fo ba boyfriend dey. Ona be araze ni nismo. O be araze o igbian. O bani awa. O musiga gen abo. Ti o salo ba kedo. O pa bu gbe ne twin. Ba se fe o kan be gen nismo ni. E gwa 12 years. O mo na be 2000 na whatever ni twin. O mo na wa di. Ona wa mo de. O se ma bu gwa na yin guess ni do ke human trafficking na ni ma ebie nimwe uwenu kwa maya bie hu kwa ma bie kwa na mwegere do do ko nuwa wa agwa ni put attack mo be loku kwa be mo because o ma no even ajowewu eri ahewa we meju hu kwa bie nu we hu mo ton ebere we na amwegere no do aju we ko go nuwe wa ge lafu kwa ya na menu kwa ya ma bie kwa maju we bie nu kwa even the value of kwekusikin wana be amwegere no be to akwe go be die nu kwa also no salopa na ye dasa punish wa majority of una why mo do why be mo etikiwa ibe wa ni me buy memory ogugwa because we boy me ga gun ba wa where it the more person our tabe go bokin abi ru wa be wa hu because I'm saying the truth there you okay papa no to tie po jo no se na me we abe manya shinipu e wa gbe ni aladia ne ni ado contest ni dia bi shi apa you data instead with the art job in aka go se because a business yani ababi that's that for ya gbeji apo ve oi e va ni leli biawi when na lele oi biri no ifu be na ye tie pojo na ne eso ye fie gesi ye e Dubai eso ye fie gesi ye e Kotoria Guinea eso ye fie ye go Guinea Kotoria eso ye fie ye different country be na ye tie pojo na e Ghana o e Niger Republic o eso ye fie yo do ya ne ya agbasha wo do because they are so lazy to the extent that they cannot work with their hand. Ono say, abe you ma trafficking bu o wan wa you get trafficking bu. Wa ma na we wa ni bu wa nye ba be ye sota. 1 year, why be years ota, not be saying that you buy. Especially the wicked one like that. Especially why they have a mugere, why we are doing a go for Bukangodo, why we are being baby, why we are taking back with Jenny Diavigia, why we are never a staff here, why you are near, or no, we go where I can we are dology, why I'm matching you guys the packaging war, or salo one go to the Banica or and walk. That is there on an hour for you. Okay? A madam we married him and answer, don't forget. Understand? But a madam attack, but I would get it in the go on verify me to know. Understand? The man do this social media when I or when I go masala. I'll not be person. Now you bought my I'm a very tough person right from time. I hate nonsense. The madam I watch but I would get me where I never guess a madam. A women madam and about any case that you don't dare it. Or what don't what you did have every game. They wash up and when they get every would be straight. Easy winner. Ask. Una know. Now social media I call the content by little. I call the beer Suzy. Ask. Right from time no. And say for a reason. Go ask for Torino 5 years in May. For Torino. The madam ete ranu. Or what yak but I could get me what we are get every year. Straight. Piam. It was stay. Easy winner. Never. Or calling Nigeria. Calling Nigeria. Who does you? What do you mean? But then none of my way appreciate your movie like Weibo. Okay? And my way they respect any, you mark you here, you worry again, talk back. My way, anything, okay, I appreciate that. I like her and I respect her. But that doesn't mean because it is when you know a battery when you are table, I will not take that. You get? Okay. So that be that one. And I still appreciate and I God bless her for me. Okay? So, under that, you are different. Eva, any opa or woman where a babado stop a human trafficking. Ego Obaseki, ana bi okwe Fulani, ya kokwe lama di edo, ne da kian de lama, ari adu wawa, aya de lama. Ne de mi ma wande, ibi Hausa, oga kian lama, vedo, iya kian mo bovie, lama yari hun, elephant grass. Abemo na mi share this video wala o. Elephant grass. Abia wati elephant grass. Enyai begeni. Iyeri gayoma. Iyeri nyoma. Iyeri emi okono ma kojugbo. They know the chop person cross for farm. They know the buy farmer. They know the rape our women. If Hausa has been good right from time day in those states. Hausa people has been our family. Long time ago. No be Hausa they do babati o. Yen do agenda that say yakugbe na Fulani. Okay? Na Fulani. If you Fulani never any self ni ko ni ro any. Now few of them they come from the J. They call Nigeria at that time. What did they do those years? That they plate air. If you want to do all those with you, maybe yaga with you. Name yaga. Na Fulani they do on those years. That time we see they wear all those pants where they do draw small ball for in front. For all these days, if you be esquire like us, you could stay in Beba. Now they come and those stay that time, they plate at they go. All those within them yaga na waka popani or by your mama my benia muju yani if fulani we no one. Okay? Hausa people, they stay all those ring road or oroganosa upasia Wario door because on Saturday we don't yana with business. I do wawa equal by Saturday no wabi I jungle here. They are be a peaceful people. Okay? When Fulani come during the time of Obaseki, Evani anado so vila mare anado arene nemi e kato. Abe pipik me abo Obaseki anado adele lama. Yana when abe Fulani when e Fulani to be e lama ya kabe kingo be. So according to they said their father na lama. So that they understand Lama language. Lama still they understand their language. Okay? They call the back cow. Yana do have any other way. Ana atabega ni Obaseki so kwa usari edo. Or so ke a Fulani the edo. Or so ke Fulani the edo. Obaseki never do anything about the Fulani. They go to Okada. They will go carry chop what it did their fan. Carry our papa con. Buy there. Be there. Carry our mama con. Be there finish. Rape there at the same time. In the Yekovia. They said they do it for Yokovia because they come switch to Yokorion. Now they go to Runigbe, they do what they want to, they bow, they want to buy, they rape our mama with the worry, they go to Otessa, they bow our papa with the one pie, they bow our mama with the one pie, they rape the one with the one rape. Now Obaseki regime, na Fulani, na con Edo State con they destroy everywhere. Me magi me no Obaseki meet agree he bana ya about Obaze no so ovi e de ki akpegbe no ko ba gagbe me ba bi ni meet agree he ba. All na ya dey for ba ibi agbon ri oge. Ege ne dede agagi bogwa. Wo e ko si la o. Ede soro umi go ya mu enwido. Ugwa be jera ya gbele. U fe ko fi ekujo. From there pa. Ogwi sasaje u fe ko ozo u ya bello. That is how our fathers, most of them, built their house. They never fence it. If you go my father's house till today, no fence. They no fence am. That the passengers we build. He built and finish. We no fence am. He put window, he put door, he put electricity. It's a metal. And so we enter. Thief, not thief us. Oja famara moja somara. Ogbesa bi mu do gbe kekan. Ori obori owe. Ori ogwe ri owe. O ame gbo ma be gari umi no yari e ba ewe. That dogeri e ba e woro. Gbogbo ami yo ko. Who go village go bring a car, go bring a giwa, he go bring name it, iyoko, vegetables, many things, pepper, tomatoes, they go bring am. E so fi arubara kugbori. I dey me rock pa be no me ma no amegbe. Who said you? Who go ti? Your plantain go there for yokowa. E go ripe. Ogele wo. Umi no ya vioi. If you call ya be I me no kion. I remember those years when my papa built the house, the back of our house, mango cashew, I de aroy. Again, I do it wobeki, was yoko wa oi woipo. Umagbebo no ya gbebo no gbebo. Again, he said, you ma quick boy woman ya can accuse. I believe that I will not do ya. Cause so it was a go, you know, to a red. He ma boy wo, a potato, agbemi ya. I akin, cause all you na be able to talk you over. I be a jebona, or be do a do again. All those lawyer picking, not speaking. All those people when they do get university, I mean graduate phobia. In any when I be back. Sorry guys. Any other again in Bekana. Okay. Again, I am your again the car I'm yoshi. I been widow. A protector ere widow. I want you widow can you there. If you still go to my father's house as we are spoken now, is still a widow running. All you wrote it today. All the days in widow. Oh, you know, and we don't have your one is native beginning no date. Oh, one boy, native beginning no 00. We don't have your job. Oh, why you don't want it today as we are spoken. E who have your you don't want it today as we are spoken. Because it's a good wound to rock Maria. Era me mama electric fence you why. Oh, mamma, era me pay ye meter. See today when I guana. Yes, we meter you one here. Abe ne pagide na fi sabe ko ebe ya fefe yo amu mitare na de no ba ebe mita ana de yi bani ti tode e ma mi uya mu mitare bete moto agban ya to collect go emi ate na na bete ape yo ebe ni ana de to ba yo mi amu jo ne magijire cause it don't say what the men akpa me yakpa Nigeria me yakpa one de women notice we say it's not let's say everything together let's say 30 years or 20 na kagere ya mu egbe we boke ya I'm spending 28 years already in abroad next year just about 29 years. So it's been a long time, you understand? So all I noticed that I said, would they stay there as jejeje, nothing do us. We will go school, we'll do our things. Mama will go market, my papa will go work. That time I said, my partner trailer driver not to stay for us. He go Kano, go all those town south, whatever, Kaduna, whatever. He go travel. Sometimes before you go, come back, do a business finish, decide, carry another one company again. Before you come sometimes now 1 week. Trailer driver je wire. You understand? I mean, fear mafia tanka or whatever. A trailer driver I got for those tanka na ya mo abe fuel na. You understand? Fuel and ordinary bucket trailer. My part driver. You get 1 week you go sell wa. If you rock my way, wapure gani I be telephone. What better man me go begin on my house phone. Ama we wapure o. Not okay o. Otere o. Ojilawa o. I mean no one o. I mean no. He never did like that, my people. Everybody was living in our area peacefully. Without a man, ojire. Come over get what you do. Eman ojira begin. I mean big men. Ojira. Ojira do we. Oguban of him we do kaka you way. They know they come. Now all those big men we face their ass. Eya kwebejo begin yamawe. But the deligena. We ite kekiri. wana ma fence agbe weku amu we potu wome ya se gbe potu wome e maginu dade umana fi ele o figbon yen fi e ojini agi gbabira na igi mo bogi television oje si adora mu we potu wome bete television wo do bai because e gbogwe e de no ya to television am oke ya kion awe better go be potu wome na ya so wa ran ya re ba omu we pure omu we pe mo mu weze ojini agi ni na 8 years Obaseki gbe gbogbo odi emi gbe to gba ori awari adewa Obaseki yewu no umapa ona hin ogi oba na se mo yiwe ona so ago oba ma osalobi ma lo poge fa na so ona so ago eta gbo na gbo ona so ego ona asibe property ne oge no oju hu je vere va gbon oga gi ladiania o me bo pa no se bi apo lori ge no wa ye ko fulo me no gun agba party no vi oba se ibana kina. I have never insulted the palace. I have never did anything to the palace. I was only peaceful, a person to the palace. Palace is my house. And all I explain, why we told you, why I get any place in Onagwa. I've never done anything to the palace. Obe wo papa e. We no na do zabe na do we do za wa be we. Oba no we ku ya attack be. Oba no yo ba kan yin re. Oba be foba. Ona be a diplomatic oba no ye school re gba. Oba no go able to work for different country. Una go tagbe. But Obazee na giladia. Ona we eriye. A video no 4 days ago. Ogbo gweriye vi gyoba gweriye keke generation kinye ogwe ba ni problem kede. Ogwe ba ni ogwe e problem kede. Ogweriye ne no biye no bazeriye no bazen ogwo ogbedu ogwo ori adowa. Ogweriye no baz ogwo hohua. Ogwe neriye no baze ya bo wa yo tonu edo ni ogwe tegbe ya ga neriye no baze. Ogweriye no baze ni ogwe ni ka ohin atogbe. Okay? But me edi bi to vesu wo o me kena bati ado no sese na seban. O do concerne ravije. Ni era no back po di over there. No we wa mu picture balade wa agbegu majo. Wa te me picture la dia be ni anike ewe. Apo mata be video ni. Therefore you might now where eriye pe video no mo concern eri am I wo ba ti kwago o veke no ado esa bat e go concern your mama concern your papa where be the to yawe bi here o mother son where be the to yawe bi here agi ama we you know there man to mazu o bare reswen maga sunwe won gwa ni keni ka do e ama gbugbo agbe mu gbe mi ai yawo so dia e se wa de wa clever na wa la wa dia na yan jiku wa invite yan bi ku woman of your bodyguard in 550 lane yan we are even the bodyguard in your that is very good. They know what will happen today. By Tana, that's just it. Okay? That's just it. That was confidence for them. My people, if I want to ask now, Obaseki 8 years, okay, we don't know zoo and rock, you but we only 2 boy. Me man na mi ewe o podogon. Ave man ancestors gbekere ne eyan afiojo as a governor of Edo State. Eba ni ma de sound verere. Eba ni ma de mentally okay. Eyan mujo just imagine. O no pe woro ya la onia. E wan je do ma be gba opokere be no. E see of four. O ma set issue e no galadia. Eba ni we see of four. Abesi see o we ni madani kai. Sisi so ma what ye. O ipiri no. I don't know what this nobe zuana ni abe damojo na me memi nobe mudiake gawa money you bok maneka wuri adabaseki ne. Okay. Obaseki for 8 years in we stage doni. Tamamu pokpa no wewu no zero ti today. Wukpona. Obaseki ota ukpona zero. Ibi agboni rugi. Una we come off for Nigeria. We never go Nigeria for 7, 8 years, 10 years. I not go blame you now. Now we where they go Nigeria every year for a visit no Nigeria. My we where that don't young when I those states. Isi local roads in the Tesame road. Abe Uselu abe okponi wageni abe kota na gido amena na megido alajo aje esikpo ba whatever na be trilogy yani agido udunwa we agbon ri oge apart from the old one ya kabojo we gogo gbemudia oni ka o the new one agido mujo nana imiege amega giro no na tie oja bisi lokoro di muna bo gwa yani e we no gisego ido alekwa na osomule na iputa all those quarter na somule na ipu quarter for se lokoro da se o all those our street in wa ido abege na no ye gede gbe no gido debod ukpo ne gede gbe wa do mi ni se lokoro di na do wide tesamero di na do wide ni ava so na attack wa gbe ya no osomule dey scatter people as osomule never scatter anybody house. No. Oshomule all just said, where your land reach, first and pass there. When not your book that beckon with the first was bo. Oh ya, ona giaelewa. Ona would first second over we say. It is what I say. But because of some of you guys are so greedy and illiterate the worry una don't know the meaning where you are crossing your boundary. Na imeka una de tosse Oshomule or was kata okbo. Oshomule never destroy anybody's house. Oma destroy anything. Obaseki ogwogwa. Obaseki Oshomule magwogwa marokpa. Ekenukpo seni. Even the traders, all you were there now. If you still go to Silokoro to do, if you go to Olia Market, there is a place you can park. And there is a place you cannot park. But before, our park you go. And I see that in ado komo. I see that in ado bo. Ego Shomule. Aya bade bike. Ena ye banki kidnap. Ege wati ege no bezu anoro ge wati ege obi gbelejo. Vanemi ati ena gbelege echela na gbe ya mu back. Vanemi accident mu back ni wulo mu back o ibiri no. The accident was too much, then I stop it. Now you can only drive back and keke lape inside streets. If you drop now, you they go outside now. If you drop for barrack, na keke lape go carry you go inside. Okay? So so all those keke lape and bicycle, what is it called? Machine. They know they work for all those major road they get now inside. Na winner. Now they do their things now, which is very good for security purpose. Okay. So years ago, as I talk just now, you know they say anybody with the fence house. You know they say, share this video, my people, please. You know they see anybody with the fence house. You know they see anybody with the put camera this thing for us. Everybody is just relaxing, doing their own things. The money where you want a fence house, you go first use to build the house, enter your house, have peace. That's what it did before. It's a must if you want to be saved. It's a must, so you have to fence your house before you start to put alimako window for your house, or do it your boy, or wiring it like electricity and now wire, or anything important thing before you put it in your house, especially the area where you know say it's not safe. You go fair do one. If not, they will show you what they call 999. They will show you 999. Obviously, let me tell you. If I never fear boy or give you any answer, ni ma first word. Do you know say? Eri agi mama ekpe wederio. Ifula ni yanakpa. Odo se ojobo jebu. E matoni no ruhu ebuehu. Yana ya vuya emu. Beni agi rase. So place and place. My advice to those of us in abroad. Because Mamara imahuwa when meji I am so bold. When me person weapon for my 38 years we weapon. Imai rio my go. By sana. Imai do my go ye or igboma baby. I have never done that. The reason why Obat they support Obaseki after what this way those state in there. Una no say Abat house. Abat no work for one they build that house. Abat steal from Edo people to build that house. It's still from Edo people. Our money that day Abat house. About no work. You were there abroad here, or you were there in Nigeria, they do furniture, mechanic, weather, anywhere where you they do, you build a room and a parlor. You have more value and more respect more than about Obazee. About Obazee never worked in Edo State. He has never worked for all his life. Rather, to support evil Obaseki to destroy our great land. The money we escort from there, now Abat, they build the ass where they go bury and put. No, nothing will be again here. You understand? Abat do worry. Abat man winner. Abat use our money. Or one abat bonny. Or we mine. It's a stolen money. Abat yabowani. Abat not so far for one day. So you will be capital and furniture, mechanic. Any job you are doing, you use that to build a room and a parlor. And God will bless your handwork. You will live long and reap the fruit of your labor. You will not die young. You will live long and see your children. Because you suffer, it's your sweat. You get? May I forget abroad? Oh. Maniwera we ponana. Niwe strongo. Niwe yapowa ye Nigeria. Ni mazoge ge bad man, ni magbo ma ba baby ya yapowa ye Nigeria. Ima ato. Ima jari ye mi ma yo bi ma yawo. Ma ifiangu. Ma hion ma ge. Ma ni suffer. Ni strongo yapowa. Ni je gbi ma ya struggle se gbi ma ya sweat yapowa. Oh, body my ye sweat in my boy. I'm talking of our sweat. Eh, wanna slave for my boy. Sweat. You know what is called sweat? Where you go the ozo. Either na your quick you do a shower, you take beauty at your ass. In as force na you slave yourself. That one not concern anybody. In as so that it's your own sweat. Okay? I'm talking of your own sweat. Like me now, my property is built by my own sweat. I have never slaved anybody to buy a nay. He say, my slave over my had this for one day. Never. So for that simple reason, we got to live long and reap the fruit of our labor. Because they were quarrel. Yes. Okay? So that is it. When you know be fear from one eye, do you get a move webo? A connection I have visa. You be who I go over Maria webo. Connection I have visa. Usi obalo yo egbe wa jigo ni doto. Aga gbo ni enwe. Wa jigo ni bugwa. Wa deva gwa udi anyu wani. Ni we abe yari wani buku iweri wani yari hin on your behalf for national peace to reign. Because wana jige ego jija de. Iri ahiyon. Wana jigo ji borok barok banaye. Iki money yabo. Ni bi a property, ni bi a loso taero at the end of the day. Even a gbosho price yakin. You get? So now so the day, my people. We have to say the way it is. Are you getting me, my people? So for those of us that live in diaspora and Nigeria, wherever around the globe, anywhere where you live, please, if you want to save your property now, agi gbogbalega wabe na police station. Agi secure wa. Agi secure wa boy. A security no because I you tari you a camera na mamujo wa de. Even Nigeria police station what did design a camera. The division of one give a CVC camera. Abe what ya be CEO was it ya be CEO for what camera. It that don't give me camera you wa. And as an acatable you did this abroad. You dey strong. You know what buy two things. One is 2 times. Because it go my easy. Every year is a million, my people. Ah, but one wawa can one go wafu. Now lie. On your say, build us. As you go to finish out. No go build that back. I am telling you I'm telling you guys the truth. Ugamu wa yotona yenye. Wa boy for every year. Let me tell you. Especially where they abroad, you're not born for Nigeria. Even though you're born for Nigeria. You understand? Good morning, my darling. How are you doing, my love? Is you're one of those land, my new latest passport holder. How you doing, my sweetheart? Happy weekend day. You understand? If you want builders for Nigeria, a young lady or a young guy, just carry a 5-bedroom bungalow. Why? 3-bedroom bungalow. Why? You feel be 3-bedroom bungalow, master bedroom. You put your bath, you put shower inside. You dey okay, like abroad. Oh, the other room where still me. Put each room, toilet and bedroom, put her for inside. Your parlor, you go dey comfortable. Where go friend say lega, boy, boy no boy say. Go value to one flat in your hall. You get peace, cause we can't want it. That's my Johnny. A Johnny may ye fool. A Johnny may ye fool. You understand? To even do the tank, a tank ame, a tank this a rod in damu yo toni matoni na mwe. E mi ati e yege ne dona o. Area soro na na dig I thank God my darling. Area soro na na dig boy will be 1.5 million. Depends of the area where you dey. You understand? Depends of area. Me and now I just the day because the time where I first call boy I think it's about 600, that be 500,000 naira. 500,000 naira. When don't take years ago, not do, but I just they do like now. Say, I never know idea now because me want to do boy now. Probably this month or first week of next month. You understand? First of all, I they ask a price now for digging of boy. So I say, may the MA ask. Mama say no person will still do. Engineer still know, me still know 1%. We want ask the 3, we will see the price. We don't want to digging of boy now they talk so the tank a low when we don't ask now. So say now I see one person, he say na 900. Only the tank only not be the tie rubber that meji me na not be the tank at the talk the iron where they stand for ground where they do rubber a matter of your tony maybe tie teme a standy. Okay, rubber me guacana. I'm not talking about the rubber. I'm not talking about the boy. I'm just talking about the iron, steady iron. Now the talk so. The price, some say 900, some say na 1.3, some say na 1.4 with good quality. Okay, quality iron. Nekare de delekwa. You understand? Iye-eki. They said the study of upstairs and that house they say not be the same. Okay, and me if I want to like 3 big rubber or the medium one, I'll take 4 medium rubber. But I just prefer to take 3 big rubber, 2 for up, 1 for the center. It's enough. You get my people. All the money, if you calculate the estimate, rubber not the too much the dear. The tank not the too much the dear. Maybe just put rubber aside. Pata 250 for the 3. You know rich. More put on like that. The study at the boy if you say make I use brain, take calculate how much. Good morning, my love. How are you doing, my darling Naomi? If I say make I calculate the money, now me I use my say what after we may be okay. You might go there ya fi boy over here and my no the one no ya gele ne ya the ya opo ya the dia kebe ba ni go there ya fi on ya na area bag opo do opo de be fi on ya o ni ya ba ne ya ni wa ka wo ke cutting of boy 1.3 standing of the name 1.2 ini go de 2.5 ike do daily rubber. A boy will totally do about 3 million. Let me put it like that. Or do 3 million. Understand? Iniga ya kanwa. Inigo ya kanwa. Inigo no. Inigo gi ke. Inigo da ya we boy wo kwake kan gbabi go na ya kanwa. You see I say, ya kanwa ne. Odawa yiri. Okay. Nagi jena ni asis Obaseki we yoton ni awe. E fula ani ni agi gari yoton ni ha. Agi mieri yoton ni wari yoton. Evinu ya boba. A potato wire ya gia electricity wire ya kebonu ya no ya wire wa ya giamio ana biega isila wana gi na to afie wire yowa everything ropa gi giari mi ta kan bi asukio electric fence. Okay, electric fence nana let's say depends because they say the difference between 50 by 100 and 100 by 100 is a difference of 80,000 naira or the difference in a way. Or the difference in all. So you will want 200 by 100 and you will want wire 50 by 100. Now almost the same money. 100 by 100 maximum is 400,000. Example, say you do like I just make example now. It pass like example now say you do electric fence for 500,000 naira. Let me put it like that. Okay? Say you do electric fence. Now put for also. We labor day for also. This one are electric fence. Okay, say you do this electric fence. Say everywhere just the everything just the cost. My darling, it too they cost too. This electric fence now, if you put her for your house now, for 500,000. If you get 100 by 100, you want put her now 600,000 or 580,000, and you go take put her. You understand? So this electric fence is very good to akate. Now you now they talk to you get money, you want put her. I beg. I will advise you, good morning, my love. I will advise you as an akate before you start to the wire your house, before you start to the dig your boy. First of all, do this electric fence for your fence. Protect your house so maybe you not buy something in Bava. More than no fence, you not say I be being a person. Protect your house so that maybe you cannot repeat your building materials again because it's very expensive. Repeat, just fences. Do it. Not be saying you just fence and you live on. Yeah, but balakasala we first. Protect her first. This electric fence is very, very good. It is shock. Okay? 8 line, I better pass. Not let them put 5 line for you. 8 line, I better pass. So they use 10 line safe. My own 8 line. And it get pian. What do you call them? Pian. What's your name? You're careful. What's your alarm? Why very? Una no say I not go university, but I'm a very clever phobia somebody. Alarm no pedi wow. Okay? Wagiagwa leso. Nagay don't be magasi suvemana. Nakpe no wabege. Okay, my people. Wagiagwa leso nakpe. Nakpe no waya. Otasade minitana. Share this video, my people. Very, very good. And one thing about it. It gets lady. One thing about it, it has. Now you go 50. And when them will drop on my moment. This one is for this one. Okay. I beg. They know the Aproko baby new. Okay. Enopa. I've come here, my daddy people. I don't know whether this boy touched you. Okay. He said, mommy, you walk at night. He walk at the night to a solar wallow, my dear. A solar. All. You see, now our brother where they abroad, we put camera for you. Oh. Immediately person enter inside because the camera they use SIM card. Immediately, good morning, my darling Jennifer. Immediately person enter your compound, it go give you signal for your telephone. You go to talk because the person where the owner of this are now anybody now don't DIY. Now they so immediately person enter your compound, the something go pick. Are you getting me? You go to see everybody where they your compound and you feel they talk to them. Say, who is that? Yeah, so I would just make you talk from the camera. I mean, for say the camera they talk. Okay. So this particular camera, so how now tell the operator, what will be the name of this camera and what will be the quality of this particular camera? Okay, this one also the dual lens camera. Okay. This dual lens camera, so if they use until they wash everywhere for this environment, they'll see the whole position and I want to face the compound. The other one, the wash road, and they rotate 360. 360 camera. Oh, Ghana, we are going to go. You go no get when I come at any hero. You go no get when I'm here, not what we sang. Or when would I maybe no me go set? I want to when I'm here, no me go. When would I maybe no me go set it there? Oh, Baba. So now this house. Do you know this house? Okay. Okay. Do you know this house now they are, but you see that they communicate with us. Okay. Now the owner of the house sit there, so now they communicate so. You understand? And if person why just thief you just set up for camera. Me what signal? What signal? Kiakian or what signal? When u level here? What vigilante? Or the police here waste time. Make sure you have security of the vigilante already. Ni aba amo wani amo bo ni Aproko smith bi guy mo ne won. O wa ko wa worry da ke dokon. Okpa be la ke bo oje tem mudia. Okpa la yibu we do be kenai.
After the compound just now, call us from the camera. So everything more.
Obe ni yoni ge.
This thing they blow alarm now. So she say yes. People they yes.
See.
When you they do, as when you do finish show, you feel they monitor people when they enter and people when they come outside. So okay, you say when I see do electric fence.
Yes.
Mostly monitor more show the electric fence run. I do this one so.
Yes, I will do this one.
Okay. More start for this emotion I go.
Okay.
On this side now. You are good medicine.
Okay, you see that alarm?
Like
Because
the
alarm put once you capture, you see any person, you will just blow that alarm.
okay, now you the camera so now they blow alarm so.
Yes.
The camera, they blow alarm. If you see any person, the camera go blow alarm. The electric fence also, if they get your alarm also,
So let the environment know say person there around.
Okay, once person your water now, they also blow alarm.
Now so say they wow. So even from there to for this time
for nights.
I made this thing, they blow alarm now. So she say yes, people do yes. So I made this particular camera, they blow alarm. So my people, this camera they very good. You want one start to the do that, who camera. You want to do that finish, who camera. You want to say you buy land, maybe not go carry your land. You do that, you vandalize your.
For example, you don't buy land, you can also put camera for your land. In case, the camera where the signal where we go, OJ, I may block you. I tend to start the building. No me that very important. I don't waka concern with person put her for completed. We put her for completed building for the community where they drag land. You understand? You will never build your own finish. Put her, my people. Or am I going to fear boy? Yeah, don't me at you. Understand? Or am I going to fear? O gate potive. Ibe say for example, I come when I for naked to face fence. Ike to so a plaster fence do away ya. Now they say no, now the contaminant say the person we want to have do the payment and everything. What we can't they do now? We don't they do artwork. They say first because if you know say you want to do artwork for your fence and you want to plaster your fence, anything where you know say you want to do for your fence, do it first before they come put them. If not, why get plastic or rough in the boom or stain. You understand? Now today, now my artwork, where they do. Now today, one finish. After the artwork, for first now they talk, so after the artwork finish today, now, they go start the plastering on Monday. For the first, now they talk. Understand? So that they can secure any, in case when we not violate no way. Because I've already put all those pipe, plumber pipe, they inside. Everything already there inside. I don't put wire for inside this thing, this electric pipe, all those things, all of them don't they for inside. So for me, instead of for me to start to fix everything, and we do it pay, we don't know. I'm going to we do. Or I'm going to yo. Near ya sally fence, ya view. Or I'm going to we do. I don't feel put at the marco because here I got to move. Yeah, what's the some boss, somewhere. One or get to the Mosidi hospital. Why I got home, my Suzy. 1 week, but why you this time? Why you think I do here? Because I said to survive. If you can't my people, and those things now million. I don't care. I have to secure it. Let me secure it first, okay? So that we level here. Me, I mean, that was again when any I mean to wear. After they don't finish, maybe next week now, on Monday next week, by the grace of God, they Monday. Yes, when plastic 1 week here plaster iPhone every could say so that a boy no office say no me not do way. Now a do di I na the gibbon a do di waiting nigga. Now no be a idene. Yeah, boo. Okay, a do DIY now foresee the person. We want to put my own now. The person will do get for me. Now I do DIY now foresee. Person will do my own. Now one Mr. Paul, if I Paul. Now they are for sale. Now Igbo boy, very friendly and very respectful. If you collect your number for a year, then they put your number. You go follow the instruction of Edo DIY. You go call them, say you see special person for their channel because you follow them. You see person for their channel. The name of the person, you will let them know. Don't do it on their behalf. You will let them know because if you do it on their behalf, they go come Apple. You don't let them know that will not be their business. work according to their instruction. They go say, you let them know. I let them know, say, I want to give these 2 people job. And I pay money from their account. I take the receipt. I send it to Edo DIY. Okay? In case of a case city, they will drag them. Me, I will be dragging them, and they will drag them for you. That is how I do my things. Mary Obogbeda, even that time I may be instruction. See, my 28 years ago, when I Nigeria. Even now, when me wow according to the law, me follow a law. I university. I a law. Okay? So, my darling amazing people, do it. It will favor you. Now today, now, at the end, now, guana, and you finish it at work or fence or man. Understand? You finish it now, at the model, yes, we plastic or fence. Okay? Yes, we plastic or fence. O ama gari mi rock bajo. When Yahweh na hina itiru ha, I take the price of 3 people. After taking the price, they know you say na eki. When I know that small guy where they do frame, na your brother, na I do my destiny. Now I do my destiny. What do they call her? Alimako. You know, say some Alimako we do come. They where they carry this thing they come. But here where they carry protector they come. But I don't need that one. I get my own personal protector woman. You have to say protector over you. You understand? I do my own protector 1.6 million. Now I take do my own protector. I don't already put on since January. You understand? I don't already put iron door. You understand? I don't already put all those things. I be no we can have you way. Magwaloni I do me if you. Oh no, say not secure. I don't care. No matter anything. I'll be a fence in or was get away because I got plaster and I feel any other way. Need to send away the wire and all those things. And any color where you need for the road, no road to Nana, I beg a road in Nana. Even the pole, Nana, I need the black here. Now black I need me for follow my gates. Okay? If now your gate na silver, you need silver. Even the electric fence. The pole ni akaya we na all those are where they do and we did the end. One need the silver go. One need the black hair, the black go. Are you getting me? So that is it, my darling amazing people. Igo ma easy na my people. Igo ma easy. E we mi okpa gbava, uga onu ge we mi okpa gbava. You understand? Una onu ge we mi okpa gbava. And if you need person where want to artwork for you, you need find one cheap. You know go egbigo no polojo. Una need the contact me Suzy Suzy. Okay? My design, my design is so beautiful. Even where they put light, you can have you pay level that way of yajo, and the money we collect from my hand, it not just cost at all. You understand? Okay. One moment. If you say as it do, it print the network very fine, fine and beautiful. Yeah, way for ne. They don't do all right for inside finish. Now the outside, the network in my own. Now the outside, where they put a design in a really look where they can have your book that way. And you can give away none of phone. The young guy will be none of phone. Never chose a low boy. They want this one the plastering of the fence. I got finished the plastering of the fence in 1 week. I just a low boy by more tendy. Yeah, they had to via even nana. All those electric fence and the camera, everything. It's very, very important. You can also buy camera without you don't buy the lights. But this light, me I buy them. Okay? I buy the lights. 4,000 watts. Like this, 2 like this. Now I buy for 1 pole. I take 2 pole. Okay? In future, I will still take another pole for the beginning of the junction. Because if you enter my street, I think my house is the 3rd house. If you enter. So I need it. You understand? I will just do that one like 2 pole, something like that, or 3. Okay, the pole not to cost. The pole is 30,000 naira, be 25,000 naira. Now only the distance. Now it costs what they call them. The lights cost past the pole. So you cannot. I don't need camera, just the solar pan so that the day amu rukba riani. Environment in wana be rukba. The day amu ne rukba aba. A solar light na. Eyanlo. The same light na. Over there, all those sapler road the day amu ne wana be anywhere. Urukba ya aba be day amu ne solar. Eyanlo we agboniri a solar. If you your own bus stop, that bus stop where you dey see for abroad where you dey stand check and where a solar, a bus stop in well. When I beg time in the bus where you are in a solar in any all. You understand? Now it did use. It did very, very good. Okay? It's an awareness. I know say I know say it did before. Those of you that we don't know say they work for that. Night they work. Ega fa e bi ro parokpa mo boro. Ason ya do kini adona. Mwejo Na be go ma kan dori ewe mi. The electric choke no gbe your weke. I did do mu because was it. O kia ifia go fia je ke fence. E gbo ma ro parere mi o. Ai ke do mi egbe ya ke ko ane. E bia mu ye bami. O idi agbon ya be dogi ba me sekire. Egbe ye paka. Again o bi na ma ye na egbe gbegidie. I don't sorry, people with the thief aboji. Even the woman with any ba ogi I don't have any sympathy for them. I am sorry. It's not because I'm heartless. Imogi me kono masse. But to manok ma ba be bien raoji. Imo bombe e courrier me dayan. Ime sympathy dayan. O kona se ame akale ya. Ibe feel mo sik babare da ma go me yami. Ko we meti asio palo yo ma be gbe. You understand? It's very, very important. Okay? And you can still put camera ED for your house without you don't put any lights. Okay? You can still put it in case of a case city. Put on, it will help you. Egi go need that way. Egi that way. You understand? Egi that way. Don't let her that way. Both the electricity na my estimate amount now. 3 camera, 2 pole, 4 lights, and electric fence. Now I put altogether is 1.4 million, 1.4. The reason I need 2 pole, one for the beginning of my fence and one for the other side for back. And these 2 lights go there also. Go still there for the back. Then the other camera, it go be camera. Okay, goes nowhere or for security purpose. Yes. That's what it did, my people. You go ni mabe gedame because on massa do view with me. We do repeat we there because to wake up in the morning and go to work it's not an easy task for my people. Am I easy? Am I happy? So the reason not this house. Some people talk say, Mama Suzy, you say you not go stay for Nigeria. Why you go to build us for Nigeria? Yes, I am doing it. I'm not among of all those ADD. We want to stay for Nigeria. I never change my mind. Yeah, to time Nigeria, but time is coming. I will sell one. But you see this one, where I did do so, I not go sell them. Because it's my dream house. Okay? I not go sell them. Even though now 1 month I go Nigeria, I stay, I come back. It's okay by me. You understand? And I am not doing it where metobome or where all times. Okay? To my person that stands in my back for me to achieve it. It's no other person. It's my lovely husband. No, my baby. He stand by me. That is how I can be able to embark on this journey. You get salary. Okpa, you get salary, say my people. Hey. You know easy. Me I not going to say we Mommy Suzy Suzy you go me. You go me. Me say 3,000. Me say 2,500. O understand? Because you have a demiosi. Or more ye school. You have a school. Say. On your say na the night ko bu wa de why we be akin abo ma deserve your money making. Udo we ogwe. Mebu. You boy your be no boy we say. E mo boy your get egbe. U ga egbe. E baba bi je iyan won wa kin abo. We ko boy. For example, 3 bedroom and a parlor, we go to be 2 bedroom and a parlor be ke. Ma understand? In case you got a boyfriend, baba bi je. It depends. Uga ma no do awo mo we po wa be family we bo da fon we wa be family we bo kan we bi we aje Nigeria. 3 bedroom and a parlor ni oni ga wu wa be family we. Wa aje Nigeria wa bo kan we bi u ga pa. Iwe it bi ni pe abi u ga pa if you ga no ke e baba keke bi je. E an lo 2 bedroom and a parlor o devil. E baba bi je abi we e room and a parlor. Then it be a 20k abi do ya to e abi ami u ga pa bi a lo bi eji. Abi vi fomu e afi oyoto. Eri won se my people gi gbera nona e won bobo. Wa egi go gwe wa seti gwe o meti o be no gi menaji. E ga shawo my people e ga shawo ro e ga yuma traffic o ma de ba I just dey clarify e ya tewe imagine traffic so that e ati we ban my love imagine traffic ma ya this dedemede. Are you getting me? That just it. Ono se na ta we be ne ya gi kan se na wa kin apo wa fe ko mo you to be no bo we ga se. Onyo ma bo ma easy. Ebi so me ata we dede no ori we fo baba ya gagie. Ya we yi mama. Igwe eri bi kan agade. A first August mate or packet kanya. A boy in the here take a monana with my 23 back. For this metal, and I asked me for the artwork because artwork is mate in Yahweh. Now this mate Yahweh artwork. He said make about 23 back for just for defense. And the design in the we are enemy. Every tobe design that way very only with the 23 back. Yesterday now we don't use 16 back for inside. If you now see inside, you know Yahweh. No, not be design, well. On what year you call legal to design no do when illegal. Then I be a pillar pop. You know, say first, na give first, and now you must walking on straight fence. My owner from year to year, pillar, from year to year, pillar, from year to year, pillar, from year to year, pillar. So that on top of that pillar now, our major legal. One understand the way I wear. Our major legal, neck pebunia, a ben already, a camera, JVD, and I understand the way. Ya your leg very but that way I can have protectors be buy any after gates can have your protectors or maybe if nobody go to find you way then have you ties do you way the center look bad the center. We don't use maybe today now they will use maybe 5 bag or 4 bag also for the front of bagike. It cannot polo but because of where maybe no now we maybe wag or work it I don't know. Maybe a yoke can say 4 bag or 5 bag, boy, every 7 on it. You understand? So that the region I go now, Yahweh first or buy a low. Men I will very estimate me why I will first worry. A first or back, can I me block? Can ya pay a big la? Can ya mweka? Can ya dismeti? Can ya we artwork ye fancy? Hey, he passed 2 million my people for you. You pass on. And I will not estimate your gbera. Can I mweka? I don't mind block a fence. Only fence of me wagwan can understand. Can I am high? Can I am me block? Can I pay workman? I be workman no well at can I dismiss and I set okay? Can I wear I do ya? Okay, get him at the my old gate is 1.8. Everything together. A gate of paraga 1.5. He said, or 2 million I take a 1.5 if he gate. Then the protector now you that way any. Not to add to plus because a gate of paluga. A protector na we viola, a protector na do value when first we buy ni that one another different amount. Igi moto na ya mwere ereba mo pay a bet installation, your office installation. Now me pay the gate to beg more pay gate, more pay igi moto na ya mwere. A big moto maybe 30,000 naira or 40,000 naira. You understand? So now I make away I hold on for the moment now, so that everything is fixed before I start the normal work for inside because. By the grace of God, we want to make we finish and I make us say next year, by the grace of God, I not go Nigeria. We want to make we finish before 2027 with your Salobwa. So that we'll go chop Izoko by the grace of God. Ivani, so it be. Thank you all so much, boss. Don't forget to secure your house. Don't forget to secure your house. Okay? That's what it be. Just buy them. If you know say you not get money to buy this pole. If you know say you not get money to buy this light, first of all, buy the camera first. The camera, when I see what you did top of the camera now. After the camera, when I see another thing we did top. That thing we did top, maybe the solar we it use. Solar no lonike. And now we have a SIM card. Okay, okay, network, okay, a phone. Now you phone ni no here low. So you have to send them. We are here send the we may be here. Understand why I give me about this so clever video. Then the same card in NIN, but already the same card in Yahweh, my NIN attitude. So if they don't bring a con, my husband go put her for your phone. My son go put her for your phone. Maybe my daughter go get one for your phone. Okay, Okpa go with Nigeria. Okpa go other for me. Okpa go with me no. Ediya yaga become megwa. Mother style about the signal in a canary when or Italo social media. Me my got the signal. Agbegbe yesi. Hey. Why give me go and yagbe? Make a moga po yakin e. Mashoria dog body ye. Maybe one go there with my daughter for Nigeria. One go there with my son. One go there with my husband. Now all those people that they clever are to use telephone. My own to honor. They do live video. And to offer if I want come as I want come also. That's so I know rich. More than this, I don't know. Okay? So carry on. If you need the light, carry. Okay? I just want to do it to give an awareness. I know so many of you know. In Bebabi, I can't take care. The reason why they do and so I be the taker before say you got it. Well, young winner. That was my mindset to my people. Well, young winner. Now, Oz the catamame. Every never go to a time. All the phone when I got a mamma by a mommy. Don't look here because on your way. On our way so lalo. Me matter gage my people. O mother say any year man the diaspora na be feel give in Nigeria be you make me maybe pa. Why get we born and imagine etoji be robete. At least once in 40 years. I be ko ya be oji bodo oji be oji ma be ko be demand understand me. I be ya be do doji. So yeah, the day that like my Ilona that this electric fence I put for years. Make me able way man. Me baby know me. He can't me able way man. He baby know me. Ma understand. I don't know what team me before. So I be the team wait there for inside. And as I don't do, if I don't finish this one, ma understand me. I be mwe buy wire. If you definitely do that, shuku wire for your house. That this one where they see. If you don't do one for your house, you officially put this one, Jonah. Who will remove money? Who will baby mono na nyae? Yes. Do onu mono na nyae. You can still put this one on top again. You can do it. I see the ask what they put on. And they come to say now that one they fair put. If you ever decide not to mono na buy, you can do it too. What's the team when nyae? Do onu mo let you first in waya no come nyae lega. You can do it. Because my former house now that waya na put right away on our phone and when our phone and our Nigeria. I will contact the same boy no one on any moment to go ya women. No ya back bet to go need the igbafa or igbafa. I told me maybe 5 maybe no yaju. Let's say maybe it is again. Again any go ya unime me tori 540 or ya ume 540. Electric fence or back out or ya electric fence me 540. Maybe before that I don't really need around 600 here we are no. Understand? You man ameti pay ne ukwa pay gbafane. The motor body on any because the other of my house, I want to go put Jonah. Yeah, I did it. Yeah, we don't have camera back by the will lamp of Baba. So now so I see. Okay, my people. So do it. Okay? It's very, very good. Or we go back to what way. You figure put this electric fence and put one camera. That camera in question is still get your own lights. Or maybe light okay. You understand? The camera in question gets your own light. And na do a camera na de call her beyond do I might not here or the lamp or the ya. So do one. It go favor you in future. Near ya do me view. He pays ya wa bedi ma ya but that pa bedi eziko wa ya na wa bolo. Abe fulani ya na bolo ya we condemn ayo. Abo ni sanoma ya go wa ya be fulani ya na ge lama e we yan. Una bolo wana gbo wa ya we condemn ayo. So abati again that I me ko na wa gbo gba gbe na go manore egan. Ona ye na ge egan webu edioji. Or you na go Oko Central, a prison Oko Central, a first scenario, you know, ya high now. Hello, you are going to do. I go back with the a meet a greeting who do about my baby, you won't go. Or my baby, you won't go. Madali, are you doing my darling family? Are you doing my love? Good morning. Or my baby, you won't go. Or why not that meet a greet? Do what my home will pay. A meet a greet or whatever UK or way before December. Or we a lay complain you turn who I do it. O wa marry to no somo. If you to no somo no kai go to Obaseki keke ba to Obaseki Asaboro de neburuwa. O wa to wa pe wa ese ye gaga e. Wa ese jabo meme e wa ese jiya. Wa ese jiya e. Ave man the medication get depression wa ese jiya e. No su we no ya su about you go su tire. But they go tell you. You go su tire o. Iya di kia ri go nuwe. No ya so seka. Iya mi wo ni zoga kan ya ma jiro ma yogi ma wo awoma ma jigi ma wo enjoyment ni ma ya flow osalopa no ke gbe mi aro 2027 is going to be a bomb. It's going to be bomb both home and away for show off for pressure show what you have done. 2027 both home and away is going to be show off or pressure show what you have done with your end and money. So when you go where ya uzo good morning my darling, happy weekend my love. You will get money where they go where they use your money to do so for people. If I don't get better than no you get guane. No get your fear any any calupiri you are when no go no yazo seka you go where yazo seka o abi go where yazo seka. As you go where ya we biagbon. As you go where ya we biagbon. 2026, 2027 is going to be a year of a miracle, a year of blessing. Ya get ya. So for our sister now, here they are building us. Join their ass in abroad. Okay? Una fit call a fake life, but fake life, or go say. You can call it a fake life. Fake life. You need to have a lot of money before you can do your fake life. Thank you, my darling. Thank you, Jare, my darling. Thank you. I bet him so boba any I never see him. Why beg me no money? Why beg Etima Sonia? They are not boba bawa. Etima Sonia. Obania Denia Mulati next year. Etima so next year 2027 with good health. With a sad energy. Operation show what you have done with your hand. Enakado. Latest one guancana. Oh, Salomba me the both home and away. Solar running. Camera running. Agi running now. Use your money to support evil Ogyoba people. You want to use your money to do it. When they are showing off, tell them they are doing fake life. But you need to remember that to do fake life, you need to have the goddamn money. If you don't have goddamn money, you cannot show fake life. Okay? Una say fake life, what some people they do now. Because no money to run and make it. Opakara. Even we read in the what here. Good morning, my darling Bella. Even what here, even what here, a fake life in it. No, live a fake life in it. They need money. You understand? They need money to do that. Don't write that name here in my platform, my darling. Okay? Sweetheart, don't write that name again here. I don't deal with mad people. I don't talk about mad people. I talk with people that have future. Don't write that name here. Please delete it. Because I don't want to block you. Delete it. I don't care. Whosoever who like it, come and I'm a big name. I'm a big name. I don't rubbish myself with people who don't know the quality of life. I don't rub my body with the people who don't know. People who don't know what to carry, they come abroad. Okay? You see, now I don't answer people a day, especially the mad one as that. Especially those of them who live in abroad for many years, 20 years already, 25 years, they don't know their right and their left. Delete the comment. Delete it. Bola, delete it immediately alack with it. Delete it. If you don't delete it, or I should help you. Let it call my name. I don't give a damn. I don't answer mad people. Delete a comment in here. Get it. Women not tana me tebe camera. Tebe camera ma we teme we 2027. Thank you for your cooperation. God bless you, my darling Bola. What? Educated in my titi manana. Me tebe ni maya arizoko 2027. Me time we from 2027. Celebration is loading. Ni maya kiaga celebrate. We have to ask me or me name future name akiame adeno yebi palotion. Hello, are you for it? Are you doing back in? We don't do that again. Life don't change. You think say about one camera do nyaga nyaga. You think we are all about that again? No, we don't do that again. We don't do that. We are moving forward. Geno riak begari geno useless la fera useless be. Geno gigo ja seka gigo ja seka. You think say to put camera for us to do electric fence to do anything. Come on, starting of where starting of where 1,000 to 1.2 million, 1.3 million. You understand? Okay, get. Go water. Ateme million sa ateme when I even good morning, sweetie, madali priest. Good morning. How you there? Happy weekend, guys. Ateme banemani who aneme feature. Agripanemo who 50 something years in the way bachelor. Well, ateme you are talking about one of my left here will be ready. But the only thing of what even and we could win you don't call that people name again if you want to say if I name future. I don't do that again, man. Mood in Allah with 2026. I will practice a lot on that next month to you. Practice it. At 7 above arena what I improve now. You understand? We're the social media now you will see now some of our sisters now. They are not building us join their house. I will go about a weapon. Call it a fake life. Go and look for money and do your fake life if it's easy. Try to avoid. Thank you, my darling. That is what we are saying. When we beg a real life video, better go can't baby video. Ya go can even better one when my baby better one. When my baby me view you now. Electric fence and camera in your house and all those 360 camera and solar pan to make your house beautiful, secure your house, you know, upgrade yourself, live in a good environment, live as a big woman or a big man that you are. Ige okay man, alaja ni aga kwa say and kimbu no ya. Who does that? Any agijena my sister, we are talking of a property of millions. You going to be low 50 million I calculate there. Aba ye pass na ye. Odo atemo man no ho ne me your pa present me na ya ube soma e gari yiku e gari ye ba e gari ye anywhere obade presentable abi okpa no mu or useless be that mo o nothing. You can't bother say it's your boyfriend. You can't bother say it's your husband. Except one of the Kolua. What we life video. The only thing he specialized how to do is to call it women ashawo, describing women pekos, talk anything, talk about them, I mean, neck burger. If first one, you will live or come to stay. Hello, my sister. Don't do that now. Don't do that. We are moving forward. Forward, ahead, you know. Okay? We are moving ahead. Either the devil like it or not. The only thing we are praying for God Almighty to give to us. We don't want we don't even care if anybody like us. Once you are big, you don't care if anybody like you or they don't like you or they say good about you or whatever. Provided you mind what you do. You respect yourself, respect your elders, respect your God, have a fear of God, respect your tradition, where you are coming from. If you go work, understand? If you go work, where you are coming from is very important. You understand? See your children happy. See your loved one happy. People around you that loved you, they give you love. Give them the same love they give to you. That is the kind of people we want to be seeing in our environment, in our life, in our premises. Not the people that give pains. Oh, not your person. Oh, not your person. Never a person void. If you don't know. And everyone should buy Tito for also. Nigeria is going to be I not just understand. Only I be there, are you getting me? So that is it. Okay, by the grace of God, we will have peace in our great Nigeria. Nigeria is years ago, it was a peaceful land. And I hope by the grace of God, it will be the same great. It's just that our government failed their duty already. That just it. In our failing me. Well, imagine now, a governor not fail duty again. A governor not fail duty again. Or do I wear greater meat? A greater meat, what is the meaning of greater meat? Oh, you don't know what to be greater meat. Obaseki agagi gwewa hwenya. Uwe to do we greater meat. You know we greater meat. Eken when we governor, we fail a part to when we fail a duty when as a governor, as an air governor, you have already failed your duty as an ex-governor. Then you are not coming to Europe to do meet and greeting. Never will fail. Who are you meeting and who are you greeting? If they ask you the question, you understand? Sweetheart, I give my video on me blocking and me take my video on or exist. I understand. Me take my video on exist. And that they give a future a future build. I understand. A future build. You understand? My only bonojo. Saloba with me, all your furo yo maji. All your furo yo. Saloba ma alero na. All your furo yo betin saloba. Saloba no kasi mo diji. O ma we mi no magba. Iya we ni aya. We tell ya play politics. In Nigeria we make peace. Etini buka ke babi huai. All do kinoro obo. Ma understand? When get the Fulani na yari. Or during the time of Buhari. During the time of Buhari. Full of Fulani Yagba Nigeria. No say Buhari no be Hausa person. Buhari question Dagote there be Fulani. There be Fulani Dagote no be Hausa. Dagote na Fulani. You understand? Make everyone buy gun for us. So it's very important. The license gun. All man want get that you get that. You don't want to get those CG. You want to get that. You also don't want to get those CG. So you know my daddy Paula. Okwe no sweni me imani didi asweni me. Imani mekpolo say oh you ni megi ya go because mekbera yane. Understand? Or my easy my sister na ye go to live I bukoni. You understand though? Once you are big mekpolo ne, and then me with the big mommy Suzy Suzy as my name, me na ye go to ya we ni me. And then me ye go to we ni me big mommy Suzy. And then you me tie we me big we mani me feature with it with alo. You understand? Mani me feature one of me. One of them 50-something years now you will bachelor. Maybe I go atalo. No buy one no bani where what is the quality? What can you then wait by the way bonus said the young pan we are met it way achieving in Nigeria kede. The young pan we are yella jano ya tawe who play party in Nigeria kede. The only thing no ta oho na te ashawo de ba akia robi ho akia wo gbina weapon ikpiana go ho we saga. You're supposed to know that any men that do saga with women, they don't have future. You understand? Well, Yagiania. Yagia, about to party when I be. Or mammy boy, fi better here go with saga. Ivanianamio. They talk and and they're going to be beating them one after the other. Why will we rock? I work for gratis. Ebody, go to the nearest police station and see. Where can we are police station? We are here with Jess as a big. So when you go to Zoseka, with your body not to target, what you go ya Zoseka. Akwega the rewa. You go wagwata wawe. Yeah, this person they brag. This person they do this one. This person they do this one. This person they show off. Why beg me no man? Ma understand? Emi no man no man amula job wa mero way. Ariye kenana he biti materials we pona nu ya fini go no kedu ametido. Agi say you why agbera bane. Ma understand? Ne degije na agbera bane. Okay, where anya wa me ayamo yako do gba ege in Nigeria makabo deji. Egedege naga above ne de oat egedege organo. Two flat naga above ne de oat one. All those things naga above the new one. Ije na new millennium gimiena. I upgrade na gi sorte with a lot of season. A season ake we me ya feferi agi wena. Ma understand me. Good morning, my darling messenger. You day my love. Happy weekend. Agi wena. Ma understand. Okpa na me rokpa in Nigeria. Na me 50 ba 100 ke ka in Nigeria. Oh when me ne landlady already. And I want to la idu efa ni me na boba me register me idu efa ni me na boba it may pay you go meet do for your information. Ma understand? Okay? Idu agwegbo ma very only talo. Who does that? Iye-eki no ya. Ote iye-eki ni ma agwogba na me okpa na me moto me keke ote iye-eki ni me te ya agwegbe ma very only te yeri ba mute boba. Okpa na me traffic license. Me o mekin. Okay? I'm order ima. Ma, we not get bicycle. We not get machine. You not get bicycle. You not get machine. You not get small tortoise car. If not be what this boy say sometimes, they made mistake. He go make somebody like me, mommy Suzy Suzy. After 28 years for her, probably I have to follow those kind made the talk. Come on, hello, keka. He good me I tell them back say hello. I didn't do give me no back, baby no soy. Nonsense. Because we were my work about the social media, some of them they say will be the same category. Time they confront to from next year, a new development in Nokia feel work. Why is you why? Because why so? They don't understand the neck working. You think I have that time to start my camera? I will become a bee. Say Uzuo and enemy. We're no one. We don't have time again. We are moving forward, ahead, planning future. Okay? Okwen unabowa. Nigeria, if you for abroad there you want camera, go carry. Sometimes you want carry camera for your house. You don't know as you want to do. Go to your bank. Your bank can come to you and fix camera for you. Are you getting me, my people? Your bank, go there. Tell they say you need camera for your house. You go to see them for your phone. If they go everywhere, go to your bank. Your bank will do it for you. Every month you go, they pay. Or do not be own way. Utobo we fisa be tobo ma fisa ona go afisa e. Mother son, no jija arabo kon teme bedere. Obo kon to me to boy. O mo ga ju wa to boy install e. You install e. Or phone. Do not anywhere. But this awareness that I'm doing now. I am doing this one na Nigeria. Oh, now be this one. You want make camera at your house. Okay? So now be that one. After my fence don't finish. After my first is done, but because my first now they go finish the artwork today. Now they want finish her. Then they go start the plastering of my fence on Monday. So by the grace of God, by next 2 weeks, they will come and fix my electric fence. They will come and fix it. And my camera, and my standing and everything. Now one person, I want to do everything together. You get? So now be that one. If you want to do it, come do it, my darling. It will favor you in future. Okay? I'm talking of million. I do ya go on pan be my oko. Or swing your wedding, you go and swing you. Baba yaw, your mamma boniki. No marking out more, only no mazio waiting here, making or can you have a girlfriend by a man of the lake. Nothing. I invite every ko emi pa gbonjo akan mi pata gbogbo. Emi brush agbono ko ya pa kan. E ma gbon o wa o gokojo. Ogwe ko we saga be Facebook emi future. E no get go no get kon in Nigeria majo. Wa geje Nigeria o je Nigeria ban wa gewu. E ti wa gimeje Nigeria ni. Wa go me lado no zo money kere. O je me dele camera dele here na we yes I need to secure my property. When you go gwane gwane ka bo cannot be that one. Man, I'm not a lady of a two flat. Wow. Even my first, the other of my self, my first house not be even 2 flat self. It's 5 flats. Oh, you war. You understand? It's full of my tenants. This one where I debut now. On I be a car. This one not be small picking food. This one I be if you wake up in the morning, you go to your bathroom, you bath, you take your bath. Then you go to your toilet, you shit, better shit. You shit, comfortable shit. You understand? Comfortable shit. You go shit. You sit down, you shit. You understand? Comfortable shit. You will shit under your camera. Your camera will be cameraing you. And you will be shitting in your toilet. That is what I'm talking about. You understand? I'm talking about that one. After you don't shit finish, you go enter your lavabo, your brush, where you want brush. You go brush your teeth under your camera as well. That's what I'm talking about. You know? Are you guys getting me? After the brushing of teeth, you go to your bathroom under your camera. You bath yourself or you douche yourself. You stay inside your jacuzzi. It will be jacuzzi your body under the summary, under the 40 degree, under your camera. That's what I'm talking about. Then you expect me to come and talk to a rigmarole. Who does that? No, I don't have especially when they make a friend. He's a low boy. I don't understand you. Any who boss a 50-something years old useless bachelor. Are you for it? So we don't do that again anymore. Even in a fashion or state, you will live. Come and stay in fashion all the Spanish is fashion de ligado. Or ligue till they do their part. You were expecting many men to stand the camera. Are you for it? Omaga kobe wek beni mi ame totally 50-50, you know. Hello? I don't understand. We don't do that again anymore. You understand? From there, you dressed up in your study mirror, you look yourself, you come out from you see a big mirror, you view yourself, you look yourself up to your toes, the way you dress, before you go to party, you will see it, front and back, camera, a mirror in the front and back, you check yourself, then you climb your step downstairs, you will not take your key, you zaza your car, they open the gate for you, you drive out, you go to your enjoyment, you enjoy finish, you cruise with your friends, your family, you come back to your home, to your better environment. It asks you when you are sleeping, your camera will be 360 everywhere. Who does you? Your camera will be running about. Somebody enter inside your compound, the camera will say, it will also give you signal. Pure in your telephone. Keke. You will not say from your camera in your telephone. Who is that? Who is that? Nonsense. You will come and talk to this guy. After you acquire a lot of a millionaire person that you are. Then you will not come and talk to a rigmarophobia human being that have infection de la ligado. I don't understand you people. Hello, please. If anybody like to come and please, I'm not dealing with people who host camera in their house. Next year, 2026, 2027, it's a year of show off. Yes, operation show what you have achieved in your abroad. If you like to show, that will not concern me. If you don't like, you not show. But this one, una go see him. Yes, una go see him home and away. But understand? Yes, so it don't do. I talk me. Understand? I know they talk too much. Omo mani aga we me. Ita my way giving you. Give me new. We so no cause. Na make many things you know they talk. Yeah, where you know me I we me so the person ya can't you man. It's Monica. Now be like I tell you my darling. You say I dey funny. It dey funny. That is the truth. After my how many years in abroad, my darling. My old tally chain in the euro is gold. Yahweh. They need to, I will come and be talking to a 50-something years old man, never girlfriend, not present in the ladia. You get. There is no present. It's a girlfriend less, it's a toaster less, it's a girlfriend less, it's a wife less. And also, the level de la infection de la legado. De me do camera me go bon avec yoniko. Me nyana me get livagi me na wa 100%. You might understand wow. Don't do that. I will be yoni. If you see person where carry camera from your house, call me. Say mommy Suzy Suzy. This person put camera for your house. Then I will go to his comment. I don't care whether me and you they talk, we not they talk. I will say yes. A job. I will go there the one and give me love for a job well done. I say camera phobia you might be. We are not camera phobia. I say camera phobia you might be that you are. I don't care whether me and you never do something I will never do. I will come to your page to come and give you that a great job you did. I will say yes. This is how we run it. You are a camera phobia like me. Now we rebaro and eat it this place. You guys want name future. Who does that? Area you wear my darling, you may be funny, that is the truth. You understand? Umaegwe, Inyagwe, Ugagwe, or Kamo Bamu Bone, you are equivalent to the you are equivalently related to the palace. Uagagwe me go mobo, you are a big woman. I'm a woman in a million, what a millionary woman. I'm not just a thousandaire. I'm not a a person. I'm a millionary mama. Mommy is good. Okuno kawe jazz. When they don't set it, you're not a barrico. You're going to maybe achieve a property in Nigeria and when you calculate it's more than 100 million plus. You want to see a koto. We see a koto. If at it is now, I mean, I go on one 50 back. Igual baby now. Enough is enough for Jepson overroad. Igualo. Next month, or December, Nania. December, but you're Saluban, women soy. January, everything changing. You don't reply mad people. Don't do that. I reply man, anything they like, what they tell you, don't let them bother you because the one way did their body in Ariana Keja for evenge. By Tana, when we video phone, I will live video na phone. You continue with my daily activities. Ye ko gwe family me rig maro gwe family me ye ko gboke ke ba this wa nyaka do nyakare wedo yaka me ru pa no we video phone no we no ya available so wa we ri wa live life ye ya reply gba bu ma ge presentable no we video phone ye the video yo na ya available wa una no know say the many we wa ge so nia 8 o'clock in la live video ya finish video that day 8 o'clock again o ma no man he aka ne normal so normal sensible you might be no me future who are real live video 24 hours. You're supposed to know that this person is not normal. What is normal? You guys don't know. If we win animal when I get government now, I said him when I worry when 24 hours, so I'm not getting when I need job 24 hours when I go men. When something is wrong with that person. As soon able not I was when I take a holiday. You think they are crazy? Oh, here my name because you cannot be working without you don't take a holiday. That is the reason they grant you 1 month in Niger to take your holiday, go to whatever, or relax in your home, enjoy yourself. Understand? A holiday last year, me already the end of Niger, nana. Uno holiday me give me mo bo me holiday ma we. August the 1st on the 26th, or the 26th of December. Here are you on the 1st, or the 1st of November. Here are you holiday ni maya pay yo. Ederi o here are 8 hours wa me ederi o ijiwona. Iro wa ederi on the 26th, which is after Christmas. The Christmas already. Understand? It tell you me 8 hours left the holiday. Okay, no, the government pay you no Robert. Normally, I think when I do only when they will be only every year because they pay you. But see when you can work if you want to work for the 8 hours. Only a problem because on my bungwe or but I week or one but 5 days in a kui or but 4 days in a kui almost to the year. So see some mass video. I can take it if I want to take it. If I want to work, I can work. Mother's time. My baby no one part of my social media. In one why in one day. In one more. If you are not no, I have it. I understand. As my age, when you say the third generation, Baba ne Baba Wese, Obano Rekete, we are well women, no my woman. I thank God Almighty who create me. I understand. That's so it be. So me do I go and work be buried. I regretted myself for being on social media, honestly speaking, because I never knew that it's going to be like this, that I'm going to contact with a lot of mad people, honestly speaking. But all the same, there is a way to do things. o igaje be oni no se na na bege wa igege mi magi de okay o me be na ge ya we. Are you getting me? Or no pana to lad to asu ni mama no ma go akon. One no nya what is the thing? What is sunu we Nigeria at the time na gwana what is the next thing no sunu we Nigeria this time on yata. Even the city ni je be country no je one no nya we de no elo no giro na on ejata. On no yata. On yata. Agbe you a platform egwa ti egwa agme e lo kekan egwa spell. Then you na a whole full mommy Suzy Suzy ne pe your a name that carry grace. A name that Suzy Suzy na a bedjo na be Suzy na. A name in ebo ya emu home. Suzy Suzy is a big name. Or say na we no. Once you are big, you are big. You think because any little thing happen, a that for the is never the end of his life. Mema beg me upon also no bring him down. After my 28 years of a webo, he make bele warone. Who does you? Ebi rock paro no me no weki me. Bogari yana egiro. Ina spongo salopa no jime o bujo bitu akpa ma ori ole ne se no ge ai. Oba no wese no ma ne mi o maza. Oba na ati okwenye onwe. Anytime you ati ohonu treat waga ne o mudiakewe. Ugbemo na ugwe no ma igberame. Uhwe bebe gbera mo na ya gwe gwa me gwo mo gwe ya gwe ma ya de wo no ma gwo to gwe ma ya no gi le gale ya no ma. A ugwe no eternity no da me begbe. Don't zoom me, you enter house. Hey, worry. That's why they be my people. So, if you see person wake, do camera. You understand? It try, it tiana. Your mom with from. Understand? Okay. Good morning, my love. After this video, we will talk. I would say, my love, happy weekend, my darling. Onwe isibo. Unshakable. Maybe a network. Ready? I where now, my people. So, if you know that you want to build us in Africa, please, boy, you know, we just do it in a very way, like my in-law and my daughter husband. He asked now 5-bedroom bungalow, but trust me, the house is so beautiful, it's so like presentable. He has a camera, he has electric fence, he has a solar panel on his house. He protects it, he just make way for him and his wife and daughter. They live very comfortable. If you see my granddaughter, she's so beautiful, like say omona beer. Oh, you na go mona beer Australia. You can abroad in that end. Or you even na go mona beer Australia because was a era emi guwe no yako komono bie. You understand? Iyo bomeye. O get a point me. So anything. Imagine na saloba no gume tose wesi. Iwo mome webo wana. At your saloba by the grace of God. Next year, 2027. Next year is a year of planning everything. Plan. When I joge Nigeria na re joge webo. Mother san saloba no gume tose wesi ari agmona na jowa. Ovi me no re wana re Nigeria yasti. Omo bobi jobi ya totion bi ya de boy de na be kind boy tion bi fi we in have relocate. I don't know. Maybe other phone tapana work they want to relocate to abroad. Who knows? I don't know. You understand? Because I don't interfere in my wife in my daughter relationship. No, I don't interfere. Not that when you only ma be only on my concern in life no. But if we disability granddaughter give me only what dey bedjon do the passport or the passport and can go back to her mom. Only osalobaje generation give osalobaje ne bogariana. Understand? Abieji me wanana bieje me o wanana biejo gi me o ye nage imagine ata environment o ye na omona koko me environment on one day ana bie wana fence ana bie wana me electric fence ana bie wana me camera ana bie wana o wanana onobi o kana ye solar pan ya bie o maje ya ne Monica o tama we go tell you the story, go tell you the vibe. No ne ye boy ne Monica go ask her. He go tell you. You understand? You go let us. You go let for us. So you go old pass. Thank you, my darling. You go last for us. Thank you, my love. Why you at all, my dear? Understand? Salobana gato. You get. So if me mapio mono you gama gbele gbian wa ba me property. The one I have is okay for them. You understand? Ejeveni avetun salo bwane. Ya waji Nigeria be 2027. 2027 ene yana abandon emege ni na avi wa bederi my mama no do tota. Oh no na isi private. Ya se gbeji me yin wo wa wani. Oh wo wa wu guy. He has his own toilet, his own bedroom, his own ekenanakpakon, his own wardrobe, everything. Oh why you're what did they worry you? Go sit down. My granddaughter will be shitting under the camera. He will be taking a bath under the camera. Understand? I will be a fefefone. A get away a fisse machine yo. I get the moti pion piaka or iye-eki. When I don't say the, I will show maybe I'll show one. Who are own machine or the machine ya mo ye rolly gates. Now he will the other of my house now open gate. This one where I do so now new gate. A video na ya we me at na oge gate or me. The video where they take to do my old gate. Ya post ebo.